Okay, this is day 30 of shooting an SEO GEO themed video every day as a personal challenge. Today's topic is mental availability. So basically, I've done this as part of my Amsterdam marketing series where I cover marketing topics. I've covered brand positioning before. I've covered differentiation before. This is a kind of continuation of that theme. So basically, if positioning is what you want the brand to mean, and differentiation is why someone should see it as different, then mental availability is whether the brand actually comes to mind when somebody is ready to buy. So mental availability matters to AI search optimization because an AI recommendation can create brand recognition even when it doesn't generate a click. So user sees a brand recommended, they remember the name, and then days later they go and they search on Google or they visit the site directly. Analytics would show that as organic search or direct traffic, despite AI influencing the journey. Search Engine Land covered some data from SimilarWeb where they showed that a brand recommendation in ChatGPT had users 2.5% more likely to visit that brand's website than within a week. So this is what Ahrefs calls indirect traffic. You hear the honking, I'm in New York City, it comes with the territory. So what's this mean? It means AI visibility doesn't need to produce a click to produce value. SEO GEO can create branded search demand. So for example, if someone's looking for best running shoes for flat feet, ChatGPT might recommend Hoka, then subsequently the person might Google or visit the Hoka site later. That brand was given to them. That's called mental availability. So not every zero-click interaction has value. We need to get that straight. But the fact that it's zero-click doesn't mean it has zero influence. That's what mental availability means essentially, is that you recognize the brand and then you come back to it later. So thus we got to think about mentions may matter differently from citations. So let's say, for example, we have two instances of citations. One, the answer says research shows XYZ. Another one says Ahrefs research shows XYZ. Both are cited, but those citations in the mention combinations have different value. The one that mentions the brand, that mentions Ahrefs as the source of the research, is going to carry more value. The other one is what's known as a ghost citation, where basically you're cited but the brand isn't mentioned. Again, it's all about generating mental availability. So this means measurement needs to go beyond just referral traffic. I have a separate video on referral traffic as well. But basically we need to think about branded search, direct traffic, self-reported attribution, essentially the whole user journey. And that's where mental availability comes in. It's a useful concept for explaining the gap between AI visibility and the traffic numbers we actually see. All right, mental availability, that's today's topic. Thanks for listening. Peace.